Hi, what's up YouTube? I'm here at Noble Manual offices. Never been in this location before. Just got done completing work business on the second floor with one of the business companies at Suite 201, and they have an elevator. Last time I was here on video, first time here I saw this elevator. It was being worked on. I was currently downstairs, but now it's working. Let's check it out, shall we? What type of elevator do we have here? Oh wow! Oh no way, that's rare. An older version, first generation Marshall elevator, Dover. Oh my god. A neat, interesting find. These are extremely rare. It's only 2 floors only. Look at this, the buttons are incredible. So we'll send back to 1. And then afterwards, later on sometime soon, I'm gonna do a revisit similar elevators soon. I just did not long ago. I found some more. I can't do it today, so I'll do it Monday. Alright, so that's that's the older first generation Marshall elevator here at Dover, here at Noble Manor offices, here at Greentree, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, or Greentree, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So that being said, thank you for watching, and that is all.